respected resource person, head of the department, faculty members, my dear students, good morning on and all present here. I am happy to welcome today's resource person, Dr. V. Mohan Raj, MSc, MPhil, PhD, Assistant Professor of Chemistry, Manonmaniam Sundarnar University, Constantine College, Kanyakumari. Valuable presence in our online mode. I welcome you, sir.
Thank you. Good morning.
Next, I welcome Dr. M. Muthukumar, Head Department of Chemistry, organizing special lecture on overview of organic reactions. This special effort to this online mode. I really happy and welcome to Head of the Department, Dr. M. Muthukumar. Next, I welcome faculty members from Department of Chemistry, organizing this special lecture program for this semester's second program. Once again, welcome you all faculty members. Finally, I welcome my dear students. More than 50 members actually participate in this program. Once again, welcome you, my dear students. Really happy and congratulate to the Department of Chemistry. Once again, welcome our chief guest and thanks to accepting our invitation. I welcome you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning to all. Next, I welcome today resource person Dr. V. Mohan Raj, MSc, MPhil, PhD, Assistant Professor of Chemistry, Manonmaniam Sundarnar University, Constantine College, Kanyakumari. Welcome you, sir. Give special lectures.
So, thank you. I am very happy. So, good afternoon to one and all present here. So, today, our special top lecture on the overview of organic reaction. Before my speech, I would like to thank Principal Dr. N. Rajavel, Selvam Arts and Science College, Namakkal. So, give me a wonderful welcome address. Thank you, sir. And thank to Secretary Kaveri Nandini, the Selvam Educational Institution, and Dr. K.S. Arulswamy, Administrative Director, and Vice Principal K.K. Kavida, Dr. P. Thamari Chelvan, Dr. K. Gunashegaran. So, give me a wonderful opportunity. So, thank you, sir. And the Muthukumar, sir, Dr. M. Muthukumar, Head of the Department, Selvam Arts and Science College. Finally, the students and the research scholars, some other staff members. So, good afternoon. So, I am going to deliver my talk, the overview of organic reactions. Overview of organic reactions. Some introductions. So, what is organic molecule structure, bonding properties? So, in earlier days, the branch of chemistry devoted to the study of the carbon compound, whose source was related to giving living organism, was a term of organic chemistry. So essentially, all chemical reactions take place to living system of the organic reactions. So this is because of molecules of life such as the proteins, vitamins, lipids, carbohydrates, chlorophyll, hemoglobin, and nucleic acids, and also on the certain carbons. So in fact of our dependency on nature of the food, cloth, cotton, wool, and silk. So energy of natural gases and petroleum. It's basically this dependency of on organic compounds. So first the friend is Holler, the very first synthesis of the organic compound called as a urea. So way the back of in 1828, that by the heating of the ammonium cyanide, the compound from the non-living source. So ammonium cyanide just heated, the urea compound is formed. So this is the first synthesized organic compound. But the synthesis of organic urea, the mark to beginning the new era of organic chemistry, thereby the starting of the process of identification of natural products and their synthesis and needs to make kind of the synthesis. This endless of the list of the compounds including the plastics, rubber, fiber, medicines, dyes, agrochemicals and so on. So this is the very important, the organic molecule, they are covered by the organic molecule structure bonding property. So this is very important aspect. So in case of any compound synthesized, the naturals or synthetic organic compound has become a continuous process, and each day of compound and added the literature of the organic chemistry. So this development of needed to definition of organic chemistry, which is not restricted only the carbon compound and the living system, but including the synthetic organic compounds under the its one type of umbrella. So in the simple definition of organic chemistry, what is organic chemistry? The study of compound that certain carbon. So it is the simply and compound the carbon is covalently bonded. The carbon, hydrogen, halogens, some other nitrogen, sulfur groups is bonded. Right? The following the methodology. So we are the today we are discuss about the overview of the organic reaction. Here, first of all, we know about the electronegativity, covalent bond, concept of hybridization, and covalent bonding. So this is the very important to organic compound. What is electronegativity? So it is means that measure the tendency of atoms to attract the electrons it share with the another atom. Attract the electrons it share with the another atom. So this is called as a electronegativity. So in this periodically the increasing from the periodic table increasing from the left to right. So period to decreasing the moving up down to groups. So for example, it is fluorine is the most electronegativity groups for periodic tables. The similar lithium and sodium is low electronegativity in the periodic table. So this is for the main electronegativity. So we discussed about the organic compound. And then covalent bond. So what is covalent bond? The mutual sharing of electrons. So atom which have this electronegativity or the small difference of electronegativity involve the mutual sharing of electrons. From the bond known as the covalent bond. In general, so Lewis structure of the properties of the present of the bond. So this is for important covalent bond. So here the some important point is the mutual sharing of electron. That is very important point. Another one important is hybridization. So hybridization is there are the many kind of mixing of orbitals, s orbital, p orbital, d orbital. So these type of orbitals of mixing of orbital, that is called as a hybridization. So concept of hybridization, the mentioned earlier, the orbital describes the region, space which is the maximum probability, the finding of electrons. According with the modern theory of bonding, so covalent bond following between the two atoms involving the overlap of atoms. So this is for the hybridization and the covalent bonding. Another point, reaction intermediate. Here, so we are important point of reaction intermediate. What is intermediate? Intermediates means chemical reactions. So most of the organic reaction occur through the involvement of the certain chemical species. There are the generally short-lived 10 to the power minus 6 or seconds to the few seconds, and highly reactive and hence cannot be isolated. And short-lived highly reactive chemical species through which is the majority of organic reaction occur called of the reaction intermediate. So what is reacting? The organic compounds are the covalent nature basically, and the chemical reactions are biologically involving the breaking of existing bonds of formation of the new bonds. So bond represent of sharing of shared pair of electron, two atoms. So which is the breaking or cleavage of the bonding occurring the two ways. So one is another way. So this is for the important point, the heterolytic cleavages and homolytic cleavages, fragmentation. So during the cleavages of the bond, the sharing pair of electron taking the away from the completely by the one of the atoms, relatively electron negative one. It is a result of the formation of charged species. So in this of positively and negatively ions, positively and negatively ions. So most of the reactions, the result of the formation of charged species, the positively and negatively. Here the bromine or bromine, Br2. So bond cleavage, the electrons in this bonding pair, the move together. So Br minus and Br plus. This is for the heterolytic fragmentation. And then is Br, it is electron which is bonding within pair, move out of independently. So this is for the homolytic fission. So here is one odd atom electron is present. So this is for the what it is a free radical formation. So this is the main organic in transformation of the movement of electron electrolytic reactions. There are the few important additional reactions. However, which of the electron transformation involving the movement of single electrons, where the heterolytic bond cleavages leads to pairing, and homolytic bond cleavages of bond unpaired to the electron. So simply the comparing of homolytic and heterolytic fission. Basically, what is heterolytic fission? So here, during the cleavage of bond, sharing pair of electron taking the away completely one by one atom, and this of the formation of charged species, positively and negatively. So this is called as heterolytic cleavage. And the homolytic cleavages, during the cleavage of bond, the share pair and the electron is distributing the equally between the two atoms. That is, each atoms depart with one of the electron each. So this result is formation of free radicals, that is piece of the single unpaired electron. So here the single unpaired electron homolytic fissions. So here the reaction intermediate we are calling as a carbocations and carbon anions. Carbocation and carbon cation. So stability of the centered radicals. In order to realize of the reactivity trends to seen above. So we must first understand how the radicals stability depending upon the structure. The radical of half occupied the electron pair open shell. So this is the methyl radical. So primary methyl radicals and the secondary methyl radicals. Here the degrees of substitution, right? So here the mechanism, just point of initiation point. So this is for the peroxide reaction, just initiation. 2, it is a bond is cleavaged here. The one is the free radical is formed. So thermal homolytic peroxide result is pair of oxygen center radicals. The next step of initial involved the HBr. Here HBr, the newly formation of oxygen center radical obstruct to the hydrogen atom in form of HBr is resulting bromine centered radicals and hydroxyl groups. So this is the bromine centered radicals of enter these groups, right? And then propagation periods and termination periods, right? So this is the fundamental concept of our reaction intermediate, right? Here the reaction intermediate is concluded the main carbon reactive is carbocation, carboanion, carbenes, free radicals, nitrates and nitranium ions. So this is the basically we are involved in this reaction. Okay, so reaction intermediate, the intermediate of molecular atoms or ions molecules, the lifetime appreciable the longer than the molecule vibration. So that the formation of formation of reactants and reactions further they give the either the directly and indirectly the product of chemical reactions. Okay, right. Next we are going to see about the general reactions of intermediates. The organic molecules, acids, base and some radicals. So acids is carbocation, base is carboanion and is a free radical. Reactive intermediate. Here the methyl, trimethyl radicals, iodine. So here is a point, here the delta plus, here the delta minus. One is a bromine minus is attacked here. This point is I is eliminated and bromine is joined here, the reactive intermediate here. So CS3 tries C delta plus and Br delta minus. So this is the point of reaction intermediate reaction. So potential energy, there are the reactions is formation of the delta G is reactant here, and the transition state is some potential energy high, and the intermediate is low potential energy, and transition state delta G is finally the product will be obtained the this reaction. So maximum the reactions are types of reactions. So chemical reactions basically they involve of cleavage of existing, the bond and formation of new bonds. As we have already discussed the structures of molecules and their reactive sites. So electronic displacement of reactive intermediates and the type of reagents electrophilic and nucleophilic. Now we are the position of the classify the general reactions of the following categories. One is substitution reaction, another is addition reaction, elimination reaction, rearrangement reaction, oxidation and reduction. So this is the fundamental concept of reaction. First of all, we are going to see about the elimination reaction. There are the many reactions. First we are going to see about the elimination reaction. So elimination reactions is the type of the organic reaction in which two substituents are removed from the molecules in either one or two step mechanism. So either the unsaturation means double bond of the molecules increasing as the most of elimination reactions are the valency of the atoms in the molecules decreased by the two or process of the reductive elimination. And the important class of the elimination reactions are those involving of alkyl halides or alkanes in general with goods leaving groups. So reacting with the Lewis base from the alkene in the reverse as an addition reaction when the substrate of asymmetric regioselective is determined. Steinstaff rules. First of all, the E1 mechanism. So first step 1 is the loss of leaving groups. Here the loss of leaving groups. Bromine is the leaving groups. The first position, the leaving groups, and the carbocation will be formed here. Another finally OH is attacked here. Finally the bond is double bond is involved inside CH3 CH. This is a temporary this formation of carbocation. So this is for the E1 mechanism. Step 2 is deprotonation, the E2 mechanism. Here the ethoxide, sodium ethoxide is there. So reaction is fundamentally is substitute here. The bromine is there. So one step of hydrogen removed must be anti to the leaving group of dihedral angle is 180 degree. So here the bromine is eliminated is from sodium bromide and ethanol, and his final product is 1, 2, 3 and 4 to 5. The methyl olefinic group is formed. So this is for the elimination reactions E1 and E2 mechanism. So another important point is basically the addition reactions. What is addition reactions? The reactions involved in which of two molecules react with form of single product is known as additional reactions. The type of reactions occur only in unsaturation compound where there are unstable the double or triple bonds. Reactant add to the carbon atom carbon-carbon double bond or carbon-carbon triple bond. So easily addition reaction is possible. Ethane plus bromine, ethyl bromine, ethylene bromide dibromide is formed. This is for the carbon-carbon double bond olefinic compound. This is a bibond, this is a single sigma bond here. So it is a weak bond, bibond is weak bond, ethylene. So bromine is added here. So suddenly the bibond is weak bond is joined here. The 1,2 dibromoethane is formed. So this is for the colorless. This is for the addition reactions. Another is the important patterns of carbocation. So it is a alkene open acid gives to carbocation, carbocation attacking by the nucleophile. Sometimes this is followed acid base reactions. So here the HBr, Markovnikov reaction. HBr is attacking the olefinic groups. Double bond is attacking here. So definitely this carbocation is carbonium ion is formed and is bromine is attacked. So this is the addition reaction. So this end of the bond of less substituted carbon of the alkene groups. So this is a stereochemistry, syn and anti mixers. So here some example for the addition reaction. So another is substitution reaction. What is substitution reaction? The reactions involve the displacement of atoms or groups, another atoms to groups substituted occurring the highly stability of the systems. So sp3 hybridization carbon alkene, haloalkene and alcohols. sp2 hybridization carbon benzene and homogeneousness of aromatic compounds. So this is for the substitution reaction. Here the chlorine Cl is possible. Here CH3 H. So CH4 Cl2 Cl2. So in presence of photochemical reaction, the suddenly one hydrogen and chlorine is eliminated and chlorine is substituted here. So this is for the one. Another one is benzene and reacted with some other reactions. CH3 C double bond O Cl. So here the substituted HCl is so relieved and it is CH3 C double bond and a group is added. So this is for the substitution reactions. Overview of the reactions. So this is the fundamental reactions involving the displacement of atoms or groups by the another atoms or groups of substitution reaction, right? So another one is nucleophilic substitution reaction and nucleophilic substitution reaction. Here some of the thermodynamic and kinetic chemical reaction is possible. So generally the chemical equilibrium involved in here. So nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reaction. Here some of point. Here the point of nucleophilic substitution reaction. These are the substitution reactions initiated by the nucleophiles. Here the nucleophiles. And involved in the nucleophile CH3Br, thiol is mercaptan is formed here. So in these reactions, nucleophilic addition reaction, nucleophilic substitution reaction is possible, right? So there are the reactions involved in the atoms or group linked with the carbon replacement of another groups of called of substitution reactions. So this is the fundamental concept of the nucleophilic substitution reaction. Right? Here the formation of this ester is formed here, and then another one reaction is nitrile and bromine reaction is azide is formed here. Right? So this is the one example for the nucleophilic reaction. Another one is substitution reactions. Here alkane can react with halogenations in the presence of UV lights to form the acids and substitution of alkanes. Right? So this is the methane and chlorine ultraviolet reactions, ultraviolet and light photochemical reaction. Suddenly the chloroethane is formed and HCl is one product is formed. So this is for the substitution reactions of organic reaction, right? So electronucleophile it's Nu minus and Rx dot the heterolysis of occur here. So this is for the leaving group. Another one is nucleophile and R is substituted here. So this is for the fundamental concept of the nucleophilic substitution reaction, right? So here the SN1 and SN2 reactions. So first of all, what is SN1 reaction? So this is the main concept of SN1 reaction. Fundamental of reactions, rate limiting steps. SN1 reaction is rate limiting steps. Halogen is here, some carbon group is here. So transition state is formed here, delta plus and delta minus. So here another one is halogen is eliminated here. So this is for the S1 reaction. S1-2 reactions, nucleophile here and is transition state. Temporarily nucleophile attack here, the halogen is removed here. So nucleophile is attached. This is for the S1-2 reactions. So this is S1 reaction is formed as the transition reaction. Transition state it is formed as a halogen and remove the halogens, and SN2 reaction, the both of nucleophile and electrophile, suddenly the transition state will be occur and the formation of reactions, right? Okay. Some other of nucleophiles. What is nucleophiles? The nucleophiles are the electron rich species which is have the strongly affinity of electron deficiency of substrate. They have the affinity for the H plus and the smallest nucleus, hence the name of nucleophile. Nucleo means nucleus, philic is loving. So they are possessed of unshared affair of electron. They have the tendency of supply them the top substrate. So this is for the nucleophile can be classified in the negative nucleophile and a neutral nucleophile. So what is the negative nucleophile? Those are who have the carry the negative charge owing the possession of the electron pairs. Halide ions, the negative, and hydroxyl ion OH minus, and ethoxide, amino ion, and cyanide ion, and carbon anion. So this is for the negative electrophile. Another is neutral nucleophiles is ammonia NH3 and water HOH. So this is for the alcohol. This is it's a neutral nucleophile groups, right? Another one is important point. Here we are talking about the nucleophiles, negative nucleophiles and neutral nucleophiles, right? So another important point, it is the electrophile. The electrophile are the electron definition species which have the strong affinity for the electron rich substrate. Electron philic means electro means electron, philic means loving. Electrophiles usually they have the 6 electron outermost orbit of the most of the pair of electron attain the stability of electronic configuration. So therefore they have the tendency to take their of electrons from the electron rich of substrate. So here another two way, the electrophilic substitution is two types: positive electronegative, positive electrophilic substitution reaction and neutral electrophilic substitution reaction. Positive means these are the carried the positive charge, they are the short pair of electrons. So from the octet of Kens behave such as the electron seeking reagents. So here the H3O plus is hydronium ion and ammonium ion NH4, carbonium ion R plus chlorinium ion Cl, brominium ion and nitrogen. Neutral electrophilic substitution is and BF3 and SO3 and AlCl3. So this is for the main reactions of electrophilic substitution reaction, right? Okay. So this is for our topic of overview of organic reactions. So talking about the organic molecules, structure, bonding properties. So here our already I talked about the electronegativity groups, covalent bond, concept of hybridization and covalent bonding. So we are discuss about the reaction intermediates. So there is the organic containing the positively charged container carbon center carbocations. The carbon center has been the 6 electron. There are 3 bonds has marked to tendency to completely octet. So 8 electrons, hence the carbonium ions is highly reactive. So formation of heterocyclic reaction. And the reaction intermediate, so carbocation and carbon anion, carbenes, free radicals, nitrines and nitrines. So generally we are talking about here the elimination reaction. Elimination reactions, E1 reaction, E2 reactions, addition reactions and substitution reaction, electrophilic reactions. So thank you.
Students ask any questions to today's question.
So first of all, so I thank you, the Department of Chemistry and HOD of Chemistry, Selvam Arts and Science College, and other staff members. They are giving me a wonderful opportunity to deliver my talk, the overview of organic reactions. Thank you.
Students, ஏதாவது questions இருந்தால் சார்ட்டு கேட்கலாம். Thank you for your wonderful
presentation today.
Okay, thank you, Karthik.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.